Good morning, YouTube family. Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. Today I'm doing the antifreeze on a 01 E430 Mercedes W210 platform. Would pretty much be the same on any Mercedes. On the lower driver's side, left-hand drive vehicle, there's a red drain plug. Just use a big flathead screwdriver to loosen it counterclockwise. You should have the car on a level position. I actually raised the back a little higher than the front wheels to get the block to drain even more. I'm not a firm believer in these specific antifreezes by these car companies. For example, Dexcool by General Motors. I've read bad things that they help contribute to the degradation of the heater core, that they turn corrosive. I've been using Prestone. This is not being promoted by them. I've been working with this for years. It's been my favorite antifreeze, and I haven't run into problems with heater cores going. You can mix it with any coolant, so if you miss a little bit in there, it's universal for all vehicles. It says it has a 5-year, 150,000 mile life expectancy on it. I change it out every 3 years. This is much cheaper than buying cooling components like a heater core. You know, that's a very labor-intensive job, and if you're not doing it yourself, you're going to pay a lot of man-hours. I've already drained this out. I'm going to fill it up. I use the straight, not the 50-50 blend. It's cheaper to go this route. You just mix it 50-50 with water and fill it up. After you get your tank filled up, run the car and put the heater on. Let it come up to normal operating temperature. Do that on a level surface, and make sure you get all the air out of the system. I would take the car for a short run and then double check your coolant level. One thing that's very important with this, do not use tap water. Tap water in my area is high in minerals. Some well water is going to be high in minerals, and some of these can corrode cooling system components. So go with distilled water. It's like 80-something cents a gallon. Distilled water. That's the way to go. It's not going to contribute to the demise of your cooling system. Okay, guys? This is a video that's short and sweet today. Take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Don't neglect simple things like your antifreeze, flushing your brake system. All this stuff needs maintenance. You depend on your car. It depends on you. All right? Take care, guys. I hope I brought you some useful information. And please give a like and subscribe. Help our channel grow. All right, guys? Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. When you're disposing of the antifreeze, dispose of it properly. You can put them in the containers, turn it over to your auto parts store. They'll send it to a recycler. You don't want to leave this stuff spilt around. Dogs will eat it. Some animals will go after it because it's very sweet and it'll kill them. So if you care about animal life, please be cautious and take care of your environment, you know? Take care, guys. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention one other thing if you've never done this before. When you open that drain plug on the bottom of the radiator, you also have to open the fill cap on the reservoir, or else it's going to get vacuum locked and won't drain. Okay, so just open that up. As soon as it's done draining, remember to close your drain plug. Then proceed to fill it up. Start your car, level area. Get it up to normal operating temperature. Run the heater to make sure you get the air out of the heater core. Check your level. Take it for a spin. And be careful. Don't open that when the car is hot. It gets pressurized. Okay, so if the car gets heated up, let it cool down, and then check your fluid. Don't get burnt. Okay, work safe, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.